do you need to even start your own crypto project? You have say that I think the marketing is a big part of it, but you have told us that you need only like 2 BNB to get even on the pink sale, if I'm not mistaken, something like that. And what
Yeah.
are the additional costs? How can someone like put the calculator and calculate up how much money will he need for his own crypto project?
Yeah, so if you want to start a project and actually get traction behind it, I do believe you need about like $10,000 to get the proper marketing and get on the crypto channels that you need to actually fulfill your goal that you want to raise. Because if you don't fulfill that goal, then you won't even launch your token onto PancakeSwap. So I do think that you need, at the bare minimum, you need about $10,000 to be a successful crypto launch.
Yeah, yeah, I would agree on something like that. Especially if you're launching it for the first time, you're probably going to make mistakes. So it will probably cost even more. So I would say even
Yeah.
like 15 to 20K. I mean, if you actually started right now your second project, um, you would probably need like a 10K or something like that for the beginning, because you already have experienced success with your first project and you know what mistakes you have done for. So yeah, actually, what are some of the mistakes you have done with launching the project? What would you do differently? uh I'm really curious.
Yeah, so like, we've worked, not going to name the YouTube channels, and we messaged their official YouTube channel and we made payment up front before the video even came out, and they never even made the video. They kind of just blew us off,
Yeah.
so I would say that's a huge mistake that we made. And then I would say another mistake maybe would be to, using the initial, as soon as we got our marketing fund, we just started spending on influencers. But at the end of the day, I think the technology and the development behind it is what should come first. Is, developing your roadmap, get that done as soon as possible, and then focus on the marketing. Like, hey, look, we have this use case, and this use case, and this is how it benefits. This is why it's better than the next crypto. So I think just developing the utility for the token. I think this is the number one thing, to allocate funds to more towards the development, and then push for marketing and other things.
Yeah.